Hello and welcome to the bestwebteacher.com. Today in this video I am going to show you how to delete playlist from your channel. So this is the playlist option in your channel, and if I am going to open one playlist, see, video started, but delete options is not there. Nowadays it's very easy to delete this. You just need to go to the dashboard of your channel. This is the channel dashboard. Go to the content area, go to the playlist area, and click the three dot and delete like that. Click on three dot, delete, click on three dot, delete and delete. So like this you can delete playlist from your channel, whatever, whichever you don't record, right? Thank you, have a nice day.